Welcome back to my channel. Salon keratin treatments cost hundreds of dollars and often leave your hair dependent on chemicals. But what if I told you could create a Keratin 2.0 mask at home with just a few natural ingredients, costing less than 20 cents, and backed by real science? Today, you're not just getting a recipe, you're getting insider knowledge that even most beauty channels don't talk about. What is keratin actually? Keratin is the protein that makes up about 95% of your hair structure. Think of it as the bricks in a wall. When keratin breaks down, the wall weakens, and your hair looks dry, frizzy, and lifeless. So instead of covering the damage, let's rebuild it the smart way. Foods that boost natural keratin production. Your body is a keratin factory, but only if it has the right raw materials. Eggs, loaded with biotin and protein, the two biggest keratin boosters. Carrots and sweet potatoes, rich in vitamin A, they stimulate keratin production from the roots. Salmon, packed with omega-3, it reduces hair inflammation and supports keratin. Pumpkin seeds, full of zinc, a mineral your hair literally craves. Sunflower seeds, high in vitamin E, they protect keratin from breaking down. Eat these regularly, and you'll notice your hair gets stronger from the inside out. DIY Keratin 2.0 Mask. Now comes the star of today's video, the Keratin 2.0 Mask. Not the usual banana and oil hack you've seen 1,000 times. This is smarter, deeper, and designed to mimic the smoothing power of salon keratin without chemicals. Here's the recipe. 1/2 cup boiled rice. It's packed with amino acids that coat your strands, making them resilient. Banana, nature's conditioner, it fills gaps in rough hair cuticles. Okra gel, yes, ladies, the slimy part is pure hydration gold. It adds slip and elasticity. Shea butter, a moisture sealant that locks the keratin layer in place. Coconut oil, penetrates the hair shaft to deliver nourishment inside out. Blend everything into a creamy paste, apply from roots to tips, and let it sit for 30 minutes. When you rinse it out, you'll instantly feel your hair transform into silk. Do's and don'ts after DIY keratin treatment. To make your keratin last longer, follow these golden rules. Do use a sulfate-free shampoo. Do rinse your hair with cool water, hot water strips proteins away. Do wrap your hair in satin while sleeping. Don't use too much heat styling right after. Don't wash your hair daily, proteins need time to settle in. Keratin boost with vitamins. Keratin isn't just about food and masks. Your hair also needs the right vitamins. Biotin, B7, the master keratin builder. Vitamin D3 repairs weak, brittle hair. Vitamin C supports collagen, which works hand in hand with keratin for strength and shine. If your diet is low in these, even the best mask won't give full results. Myth busting, the truth nobody tells you. Let's clear up some myths that are floating around everywhere. Myth: keratin can only be achieved in a salon. Truth: your body produces keratin naturally, and science-backed DIY masks can restore it. Myth: DIY keratin doesn't really work. Truth: if your recipe has keratin-friendly ingredients like proteins, vitamins, and hydrators, it absolutely works. That's why we call today's version Keratin 2.0, not just another homemade hack. This isn't just a hair mask, it's a science-based keratin upgrade that costs pennies and gives salon-level smoothness. Try this Keratin 2.0 mask once, and I promise you'll never look at your old DIYs the same way again. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful beauty secrets that really work. Your hair deserves it. Thank you for watching.